Welcome back to Putzel Kitchen. I just got off of the Peloton riding with my BFF, Emma Lovewell. She has really saved me through this COVID shelter in place. I'm making my brisket for Passover, fat side up in my Le Creuset, but any kind of baking pan. Love my Second City Prime, the rub. And I'm gonna put that all over it generously. In fact, I'm just gonna sprinkle it so it's lots of seasoning. You can use any kind of steak seasoning if you don't have this, but they do drop ship, Second City Prime. Then I'm going to I have an onion all chopped up and 3 carrots, 3 pieces of celery. Then you can use beer or red wine. I like to use Coke or root beer, so I'm using Coca-Cola. And I'd say this one little mini can is enough because it's just about 1 cupful. And then secret, Fat Boy barbecue sauce. I love this stuff. No corn syrup. Unfortunately, the Coke does, unless you can get the Mexican Coke. And I'm just gonna put about half of the bottle and save the rest for after we cook it. Pop it in a 300-degree oven. Cook it low and slow for 5 hours. Oh, I was about to put it in and realized I forgot the parsley. I'm gonna cover it with parsley as well. Tight fitting lid. Cook it for about 5 hours. I'll check it after 3 hours and then I'll show you.